It's another week with AI Kingdom. Roger and Nathan here to bring you the latest and greatest in AI news. Today, we're going to be actually maybe skipping a little bit of the news and then diving a bit deeper into something which has taken the AI YouTube world by storm, which is the Auto GPT improvements. So, in the last week, there's been a call for a halt on AI development, but even as that's being discussed and probably unlikely to really move forwards in any meaningful way, we already see that AI is continuing to accelerate, even just with the advent of GPT-4. And one of the ways that we're seeing this now is ability for Auto GPT to recode and solve problems autonomously. And so we're going to go through a little bit of a demo of that and show a couple of other little products or projects that have covered off in this. And it really does seem that, as David Shapiro was talking about with autonomous cognition, that we are actually getting there much quicker than we thought. So when we started our channel, we were inspired by some of the work he was doing to autonomously build thinking machines, and this idea of a layer of onion of internal thought and then external observations of the world. And we actually see that through some of these projects we're going to look at today, we're just giving them some high level objective and then they're reasoning on their own to come up with solutions, sometimes good, sometimes bad. We'll see, it'll be live. So yeah, stick with us and we'll see how it goes. We also want to address the fact that there's been a lot of the stale demos that are like people are reusing the same kind of demos with Auto GPT, and so we wanted to see if we could like do something else interesting just to give people something to think about.
So yeah, we've literally installed Auto GPT onto Nathan's computer, and we're going to use it to help us in a hopefully valuable way.
To grow our channel using or set up some AI that's mimicking that kind of same goal. So we've just started setting up a Auto GPT agent that will called the YouTube Growth GPTP that's designed to autonomously grow YouTube channels featuring valuable content from
So let's switch to your screen and we can have a look at the process. Maybe do you have the Auto GPT hub up on your screen? Otherwise I can share it.
Yep. 2 secs.
We'll just explain what it is.
Yeah, so I guess probably the easiest way to do it is to go through one of these demos here. But essentially what it does is it asks creating an agent, and you're giving the agent some sort of goals, a role, and then giving it a role rather, and then a set of goals. And its goal is to try and achieve these goals. So the way that it does this is it makes a whole heap of subsequent calls to GPT-4 and tries to figure out a way to solve the problem that it's been given. So
you end up having this interactive, it's just command lines at the moment, but this interactive process, and it basically from your goals that you define, it defines the tasks and does its best to execute them. So I think, yeah, this is going to be a good example. And you can go to it's all open source. You can install it if you want on your own machine.